Okay, it's July the 4th. About 3 weeks ago, I decided to make a bowl and give it away, and today is the day. And there were only 8 entries, so each one of you is going to have a 1/8 of a chance of winning this bowl. So here are the 8 names, and I'm going to get my wife to help me with the drawing. Okay, all the names are in the bowl, so let's mix it up a little bit. All right, Daryl Drax is the winner. I will be contacting you with my email and getting your address so I can get this mailed to you tomorrow.